guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank y'all so much for being here. I really appreciate it as always. Today, by special request, I am doing a hair tutorial. I have never done this. I am no hair professional, so take this with a grain of salt. But I had a couple of requests, not sure if it was last video or the last video, but people are asking how I style my hair in my videos. So I figured, hey, why not do a hair tutorial? And this hairstyle is really so versatile. Anybody can do it. You can do it with short hair, medium length hair, long hair. I mean, you can't do it with like 2-inch long hair. One of the main reasons why I like this hairstyle so much is it takes minimal effort. It takes about 30 minutes from start to finish and you're good to go. And it also doesn't take expensive hair tools. So I have a $20 straightener that I got from Maxx, and I got a $30 barrel roller that I got from Walmart, and I am good to go. Actually, I think I got it from Maxx too. But anyway, anybody can do it. You just need a couple little tools, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So without further delay, let's get into the video. All right, y'all, this is what my natural hair looks like. And it's got a little bit of body in it, but it's got lots and lots of frizz. It's just very frizzy. So if you want to style your hair like I do, you're going to need really 4 things, and that's it. I use a texturizing hairspray. It doesn't matter what brand you get. I'm just using the Ouai one because I got this in a subscription box. To get my curls the way that I like them and not like pageant curls, I like them to be a little bit on the edgy side. I use a flattener iron. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute. And then to get the curl, I used a 2-inch barrel. This is a Laneige curling wand. So I used 2 of those, and then you're going to need a clip, and you're going to need a brush. I'm just going to use a paddle brush and the hairspray. That's 5 things actually. So so after you've gotten your part, then you want to go ahead and brush it through, because we're going to be starting with the hair straightener, and you don't want to straighten and seal any of the knots in there. And to get the curls the way I like them, the straightener is an absolute pivotal part of it. It just is what it is. I had my hairstylist show me this trick, and I just love the results. It looks so good. I don't like curls that go all the way down, start up here and then end down here. I like them to be a little bit piecey and a little bit more edgy, if I didn't say that already. So now we're going to go in with the straightener. I had this one from Maxx. I think I got it for like 25 bucks or something like that. This is from the brand Fetish. And I have it set to, I think it's about $4.25. So what you're going to do is, if you have frizz, if you don't have any frizz, and you don't have to worry about this at all, but you're just going to take it, the straightener, and you put a little bit of a straighten right there at the top. So you just kind of go around. You don't have to go through your whole head. You just want to put it right there at the top, just where your hair is going to part. What am I caught on? And you do it right there. Okay. So that's all you have to do for the top. Now for the piecier parts, you're going to want to straighten the bottom. So if you don't straighten the bottom, then it's not going to look piecey and kind of tousled. So you just take the iron and you run it right on the bottom, and you want to run it on the bottom of all of your hair. So about like 2 inches, maybe 3 inches from the bottom, and then all the way around. So it's okay if you go a little bit over that, because you're going to be using the barrel curler. And if you have layers, I have a couple of little layers in the front. You just want to like do the ends of those too. So you just want to go all the way around and straighten all of the bottom. So that's it. We're completely done with the straightener, and really and truly for 2 or 3 minutes of work, it really does make the world of difference on your hair. So now we're going to move on to the barrel curler, and this is the one that I like to use. This is a 2-inch barrel curler instead of a 1-inch or a 1.5 inch or 1 3/4 inch. I just think the bigger the better, in my opinion. So I don't like to section off my hair from the bottom up. I think it's a big waste of time. I like to do it from the top down, and for that I like to use a clip. I ain't got time for all that like fancy schmancy stuff. I want to get my hair done and be out the door. So what I like to do is I start with, I don't know, just a little bit of hair, like about that much, and I take the barrel and I just like wrap it around like this. I don't twist it. I just wrap it around and I leave about 2 to 3 inches and then leave it on there until it feels really, really hot. So about that much. And then once it's out of the barrel, I pull it straight and then kind of like just flap it around a little bit because it gives a lot of volume to the curl. And then I just put it over on the other side. I'm gonna show y'all again with another piece. I'm gonna take a little bit of a bigger piece this time. And I just wrap it around. So I'm not twisting it, just keeping it straight on there. And I have about that much out. So 3, 4, 5 inches or so. And I touch it and make sure that it's getting hot. And then pull it and shake it. See how it gave it a lot of volume? And I just continue on this side until I'm completely finished. And then I move on to the other side. So now that we've got the left side done, now we're gonna move on. Ugh. So now that we got the left side pretty much done, now we're gonna move over to the right side. And I'm not 100% done with this side. I still go back and I kind of tweak the curls a little bit once I'm done with this side. But we're gonna do the exact same thing. So we're gonna brush it through real quick, just sort of haphazardly. And then we're gonna start with a couple of little pieces at the top. Exactly the same way. We're going away from the face. So I take the curl out, straighten it up like that, and then I shake it. I shake it. See, it just adds a lot of volume to the hair and it just makes it look a lot more tousled. So I'm done with this one. So I'm going to pin it over here and then continue with the rest of this side. Now that the hair is all curled, I just want to take a paddle brush. This is just a Revlon paddle brush, and I'm just going to kind of lightly brush through some of the curls just to kind of soften them up a little bit. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side, and I'm going to just kind of assess the situation. So I'm looking in the mirror and I'm going to look and see what area needs a little bit more body, a little bit more dimension. So this side, I'm just going to kind of put a little extra curl right here just to add a little bit of something. So once again, I'm going to start kind of high on this one. So I want it to stand out. And I'm doing the exact same thing. So I'm leaving out the same amount of hair, going the same direction. I'm going to pull it and I'm going to pop it. Let's see, that kind of fluffed it out, added just a little bit more volume to the hair. I'm going to also take this area right here and give it a little extra curl. Okay, so the left side is done. It looks exactly how I like it to look. It's got a good amount of body. It just looks really, really nice. And so now I'm going to kind of assess the situation with the right side. Like I said, I'm just going to brush it out slightly. And then I want to change this front a little bit and then add a little bit more volume right here. Because I don't know if you can see, it's a little bit on the flat side. And I want it to just have a little something extra, you know. Same as the other side. With this one, I'm kind of going up, kind of high, and gonna straighten it a little bit and then fluff it. So that added a little something to it. I also kind of have a little bit of a bang right here. So I'm just going to kind of take it and relax that curl a little bit. Just kind of go about right here, maybe eye length. Just kind of follow it down. There. That's a little bit better. It was just a little squirrely. There. That looks good. So I'm going to just brush it through again one more time. It's already gotten knotty. I'm kind of tussle it up. So I brush it and then tussle. And then I take my texturizing spray and I just put a little bit of texture in there. Run my fingers through it just so the product is kind of evenly distributed all the way to the ends. Shirt's bothering me. And that's it. Hair is done. So this is the finished look and my go-to hairstyle for just about every single video that I film. I just love the way it looks. It's so bouncy and healthy looking. It's easy to style. It only takes about 20 or 30 minutes from start to finish to do. And it is really versatile. You can go a little bit stronger with the curls. You can go a little bit looser. You can like tie one side up and make it a little bit more like a vintage style looking. So if you like this video and you found it helpful, please give it a like and a subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be seeing y'all very, very soon. Bye.